Hello, my name is Nuruddin from XK Design Studio. Today we are going to learn about workspaces in Adobe Photoshop CC. So without any further ado, let's get started. What is a workspace? In generic term, a place where we work becomes our workspace. For example, my desk in my office is my workspace and my laptop, microphone, etc. are my elements which I use for making tutorials, creating designs and so on. In Photoshop, the entire working area is a workspace. It consists of all the menus, tools and panels. It's simply everything you can see and click within Photoshop. Kindly refer the image on the screen which is highlighted for your reference. Right now, I am working on the default workspace known as Essentials. By default, Photoshop uses a workspace known as Essentials. If you have never chosen a different workspace, you are using the Essentials workspace. Photoshop has preset workspaces suiting your requirements or project you are working on. How to choose a different workspace? We can find workspace panel on the second top position of the Windows menu or by clicking on the icon besides the search icon on the properties panel. If I want to work on 3D in Photoshop, then I'll select the 3D workspace panel and make all specific panels visible which are related to 3D and needed to edit 3D objects. If I'm working on a graphic or web project, then I will select the graphic and web workspace which will display the tools and properties which is required for graphics and web only. Let's see about the motion workspace. If I want to do some animation, then this workspace is useful for that. In this, you can see timeline panel and some other panels which are needed to work with video and animations. For an artist or a painter, the painting workspace is ideal. It will display the relevant tools and properties like brushes, channels, paths, and so on for their purpose. Now let's check out the photography workspace, which is useful if we want to do some photo editing. It will show panels which are related to photography purpose. So these cover all the preset workspaces in Photoshop. Now, if I want to create my new workspace, then it's very simple. Click on the second option from the top of window menu, that is this, and create new workspace, or you can click on this icon and create new workspace. For example, I don't want this panel. I will close this. I will close this. And I want this to be placed here and this to be placed here. And I want this to be my new workspace. So all I will do is click on this new workspace XKDS. I'll leave all the other settings as it is to the default settings and click on save. Now I will again go to Essentials. So it will come back to the Essentials, and if I want to select the new workspace which I have created, I will click on this and click on XKDS. There you see whatever I had selected for the properties or the settings that I wanted, it is displaying that. If you like this tutorial, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos and tutorials. I will see you soon in the next tutorials. Till then, it's bye from my end. Thank you so much.